Okay, so today Google's come out with the new +1 button for websites. But what if you have a blog, specifically a WordPress blog, and you want to put it on there? Well, I found the solution. If you go in here to Google Webmaster Tools and Google Webmaster +1 button, you can find the code for the +1 button right here. Okay? Then you need to take that to your blog and you need to go in and edit your template. So here's my blog, here's the +1 button on the post, and here's the +1 button for the blog itself. To add the +1 button to the blog itself, you're going to go into the theme editor and you're going to go to the header. And in the header, you're going to place the first part of that code, which is this right here. That's just the first part. You're going to place it right before the closing head tag. Then you're going to add a widget to your blog. So you're going to go to Widgets, and you're going to go over to Text Widgets. You're going to create a new one, and in that text widget, you're going to put the tag, the second part of the tag, where you want the button to appear. What that will do is that will give you the tag on your page. To get the tag for each post, you're going to go back to the theme. You're going to go back to the theme editor, and in the theme editor, you're going to go to the single.php template. So you're going to go to single post right here. And in the single post, okay, it's not coming up. Okay, there it is. Just taking a while. If you go to single post, you're going to scroll in here, and what I did was I put it right before the div for entry content. You can play around with where you want to post it, but what this does is it puts it between the title and the content. So basically I have it right here. It's after the title, before the content. It puts the +1 button. Now, the issue with that is that if you do like I do and you put Excerpt Text on the page, and you use the more tag so you can fit more posts on the first page, it won't show on each of the posts. The person has to click through to the post, and then once they click through to the post, it will show because it's on the single.php. But if somebody does click through to that, and then they go over here and click the +1, I'm guessing that when you click the +1 there, it's for this entire page, not necessarily just the blog, but I'm not sure how that works. Now, let's say you go and you have a blog like this, and it doesn't have a single.php. Well, then your only option really is you can put it in the main index template, which is what I did here. So I went in and I put it here right before the div class for entry body. And what that did was it gave it to me right here, right above each of the posts. So if I go back here, I have each post on the page, and you can see the +1 button is there on each one. I also did the thing with the header and adding the text widget, and so I also have it over here on this page for the entire site. So I'm showing that I have a +1 for every one of the posts. That may be because I have it in the header. If I click this and then reload, we'll see. So we will have to see exactly how that plays out, but this is a quick way to get it on your post. Yeah, look, I took it, I added it here, and then when I do that, it's probably going to add one for every post. So you're going to have to play around with that, but hey, at least it'll boost your numbers. So I hope this helps. This is Chris Johnston of digitaltraveler.org, chrisjohnstonphotography.org, and christophermjohnston.com. Bye.